Last January, nag-open ako ng Merlin 1999 sticker packs kay Boss Rip and Ship.
Ganyan kasi pagka 26 years. 27 years na nasa baul. Oh, Magikarp. Kaso kasi may bakat siya nung sayang. Pero not bad. May bakat siya nung pagkakadikit niya. That's Magikarp. Ekans. Another one. Ooh! We got the Mew. Another one. Oh!
So pinag-grade natin sa PSA after 6 months. Ito na sila guys, yung 1-pack Magic of Merlin stickers. So we got a PSA 9 Ash Pikachu. Next one, the Magikarp. We got a PSA 9. Ito yung dumikit guys, sayang. Pero okay na rin, di rin umalog sa loob. And last is the Mew PSA 10. Not bad, not bad.